Hey guys, today I'm going to start variables and data type. Today I will cover integer data type. Okay, so integer data type is used to store only numerical value in variable. So data type restrict your variable to store only numerical value, and limitation of integer data type is -327682 positive 32767. So how we can utilize the integer data type? You can see here I'm going to write macro to use integer data type. Go to developer tab, go to visual basic. Here this is a code window. So I'm going to write here macro sub. Macro name is variable example. Enter. Now you will get it automatically, and sub is automatically received in your code. So now I'm going to declare one variable dim. Counter is a name of the variable. Dim is a keyword to declare the variable. Now you need to write as, then data type is integer. I have already told you integer data type is used to store numerical value in variable. So going to store numerical value in our variable. My variable name is counter, and I'm going to store here 32,007 7. This is a maximum limit of integer data type. Now I'm going to take output in my range. Suppose I want to take this output, variables output I want to take in A1. So I am going to write here range A1 bracket close, and variable name is counter. So I'm writing here counter. Then run this macro. You can see here our output will be in A1. You can see here I received output in A1. So now I'm going to take more value in this variable. So you can see here I'm taking here 8. Now this code will give me error. You can see here overflow error I'm getting because I have exceeded the limit to store. So now that's why I'm getting here error. Now I want to take here minus value. So minus value is possible to store in integer data type. So I'm going to take here. You can see here minus value is also stored. This is a minus value. This much value I can store in minus value. So this is all about the integer data type. So thank you so much. That's it for today.